Namaskar friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to make a combo box on the user form. I have already opened the Excel file. This is sheet 1 where I have written name, designation and mobile number. Here we will save the data from user form or combo box. This is the developer tab. If this is not visible or showing on your Excel sheet, then go to file menu and click on option button, then click on customize ribbon. Then here on the right side one option is here, that is developer tab, which has been tick marked. If this is not tick marked, then you have to tick mark it and then press OK. Then developer tab will get activated like this. Now we will have to open the Visual Basic window. Here this is Visual Basic, or you can open the Visual Basic window by pressing Alt F11 on the keyboard. I am clicking here. This is the interface of the Visual Basic window. Here this is the menu, insert, click here, and here three options are there, and is user form, model, class model. I will click on user form. This is the user form. This is the toolbox. In the toolbox there are a bunch of tools using which we can make our projects. Right now I will take a label 1 for employee ID, and a text box. This is the symbol of text box tool. Click here and drag it on the user form. I will copy this one. Next I will take a combo box. This is the symbol of combo box. Below it has been displayed as combo box. Click here and drag on it on the user form and take a label against it. Then mobile number. For mobile number we will take another label and a text box. Align it, right click, align, left. You can change the font size here. In the properties menu you can see the font here. Click here, and this is the size of the font style. You can use any size. I am taking here 10, and bold, font style bold, then OK. Now name it. This is the caption where you can change the name of the label. This first one is employee ID, second one is designation, third one is mobile number. I will take a command button. This is the command button. Name it shape. Here again the name, you just write cmd underscore shape. Right now we will make a list of the combo box. Here this is the data sheet where we can store our data. In the sheet 2, here we'll write the designation of the staff. Again click here and rename it designation. And press enter. This is the designation. You can see it or you can check it. Go to formula and name manager. Your designation has been saved. Close it. Then go to user form. Here click on designation or combo box. Here in the properties bar, come to row source. This one is the row source. Here write designation. Okay, let's see. This one is the designation combo box, in which we have written manager, accountant, cashier, peon. If you want to save all these employee ID, designation and mobile number, then we have to make some coding on the user form. This is the private sub cmd_save. Here we have to write the code for saving the data from user form. Dim sh as worksheet, set sh equal to sheets sheet 1. Because we have to specify the name of the sheet where we have to save the data. Dim lr means last row. You can write last row also. I am writing here a short form lr. Dim lr as long lr equal to sheet1 dot range range 1 and rows dot count dot end excel up dot row. You can use here offset formula also. Dot offset and a column index. Column is 1, row this one, column A1, column index row offset is 1 and column offset is 0 dot row. This is the last row. I want to see how it will work. If you press control and down arrow key, it will go up to the last row. Here 10,48,576. If you again press control and up arrow key, then it will come to this place. When we save the data, it will go one by one, adding 1 rows each time. So this is the function of the last row. Here we will write the code with sheet 1 dot cells row index equal to lr last row, column index 1 dot value equal to text box 1 dot text. You just copy the formula. Second one is our combo box. In this way we can save our data. Let's start whether it works or not. Go to run menu, click here. This is the menu using which we can run the user form, or you can press F5 on the keyboard. Let's see. Employee ID suppose take 100. Here combo box, from combo box will take manager and mobile number, take any number, then press OK. Sorry, here I have forgotten to use and with. Then we will check it. We can check it by using F8 on the keyboard or clicking here. It is working perfectly. Let's check whether it works or not. Run or F5 on the keyboard. Employee ID 200, then accountant, then mobile number. Press on save. You can see here the data has already been saved on the worksheet here. And one thing you can notice here that auto border has also been created along with the data. So this is the unique one that I have created using the VBA code, Excel VBA code. So you can also do like this by practicing the code that I have written in the user form. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.